Hey friends, this is Atif Hope your van and welcome to the update on Cardano. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of Cardano was testing a very long-term support of 70 cents. And this was my last video that I shared a few days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that first Cardano broke out this very big and long-term down channel. By the way, I have been showing you this channel for the past almost 2 years. And I've been telling you that after the breakout from this channel, we can expect a very massive rally. And so far, from this low to here, you can see that Cardano has rallied more than 437%. And you can see that after the breakout from this channel, it also broke out this descending triangle, then recently broke out another down channel. Then we had another very nice pump. And the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of $1.25. It was previously working as a resistance here, and almost as a support here as well. And now again, it worked as a very strong resistance. And now we have recently tested this very long-term support of 70 cents. That was previously working as a resistance here. And now after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. And recently, after this big drop, despite this long spike to the downside, the pricing could not break down this long-term support of 70 cents. However, during this drop, we have broken down this red line. That is a very long-term support of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21. It has been previously working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks or months. Before that, for several weeks or months, it has been working as a support here. And for almost 2 years, you can see that it had been working as a very strong resistance as well. From here, when we broke it down, from the month of November 2021 up till here, up till the month of October 2023, it has been breaking as a very strong resistance. Right now, you can see that the price line is once again breaking out this resistance of exponential moving average 21 on this 7 days time frame chart. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Hive, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 7th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very powerful pump, by the way. Now let's move to the live chart of Cardano. And here you can see that for the past several weeks and months, it has been moving inside this channel. And finally, here in the month of September 2024, we broke out the channel. And after the breakout, the price line retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up. And the technical target for this breakout from this channel was, by the way, here at the top of the channel. That was approximately at 70 cents. And over there, we had a quite long-term resistance as well. It had been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here, and after that, worked as a very strong resistance here and almost resistance here as well. And now after the breakout, you can see that we had a nice pump, but the price then got rejected by the next this resistance, a quite long-term resistance of $1.25. It had been previously working as a resistance here and support here, and now this time it is working as a very strong resistance. By the way, this resistance is at $1.25 here. You can see that here we got few rejections, one more rejection here, and here, despite this spike beyond this resistance, the price and could not break it out. And again, drop down at this long-term support of 70 cents. Now, it is breaking out this very long-term resistance of EMA 21 that had been previously working as a very strong resistance here for several weeks and months, and resistance, by the way, here it was also working as support. And before that, for almost more than 2 years, it had been working as a very strong resistance from the month of November up till the month of October 2023. Therefore, now if the price line will break out, you can see right now the price line is moved above this resistance of EMA 21. If this weekly candlestick will be closed above this resistance, then again, it can work as a very strong support, the exponential moving average 21. And now the probability is quite increased that soon the price line may hit the next resistance of $1 as well. And by the way, this $1 is also quite long-term resistance that had been previously working as a very strong support here for several months. And now it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line of Cardano. And after that, it can again hit this next long-term resistance of $1.25. That was recently breaking other resistance here. Before that, it was breaking other resistance here and resistance here as well. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous long-term down channel, that move is still due. And that long-term target is here at the top of this channel, approximately at $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.